Welcome to this beautiful East Palmdale paradise. Come on, bro. Can't you see I'm shooting this like my 5th take? Wait. Come here. You know this house is for sale?
This house is for sale?
You want to buy a house?
Do I want to buy a house?
Look, man, you want to go inside?
Do I want to go inside?
Bro, can't you say anything else?
Let's go.
Welcome inside, you guys. This is a beautiful home. It has custom, upgraded vinyl, engineered vinyl flooring, a beautiful custom mantle, beautiful light fixtures that are just so elegant. You have to see the rest of this house. Oh, just looking for a snack. Look, come look at this beautiful kitchen, all upgraded. And this house is 1,750 square feet big with upgrades throughout the entire house, 2-car garage, and brilliant bathrooms. Hey, thanks for joining me to come see this amazing house. Look, this could be you.